Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have Sales Navigator access and a clear ICP. Once done, open Advanced Search and apply company size, industry, and seniority filters to narrow results. Make sure to exclude irrelevant sectors or existing clients to avoid wasted outreach. Next, add keywords and Boolean title variations so you capture target titles and common role spellings. This focused initial search reduces noise and surfaces high-quality prospects immediately, letting you move faster into list build. Once you have search results, save prospects into specific lists and tag them by persona or campaign so you can segment follow-ups. Then qualify each saved lead by checking recent activity, company growth signals, and mutual connections. TeamLink can reveal warmer intros. Make sure to note technology mentions and hiring trends. These indicate buyer intent and timing. Finally, prioritize based on engagement potential and fit so outbound sequences focus on the most promising opportunities rather than every match. You now execute outreach. Send a concise, personalized connection request highlighting a specific trigger, mutual connection, recent post, or company event, then follow with a value-first message and a single clear CTA. Once sent, sequence follow-up spaced over 7-14 days with varied value, case study, insight, or question. If replies are low, troubleshoot by reassessing your ICP, swapping subject hooks, and testing different send times. Also review your message personalization and remove generic phrases to regain traction quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.